Today on Magic's Global Guide MGC, we are dealing with 10th class crash course algebra, linear equation in two variable. In the previous video, we have dealt with 1 marks question. Now we are going to deal with 2 marks question. Due to corona or due to some reason, if you were unable to attend the classes and if you have not understood the exercise, this video will be very helpful. So if you do not understand in one go, you can repeat 2-3 times and you can solve them. It's not only that you have to look at the video and listen to it, but you have to actually practice it. Alright, in 2 marks question, we have the first question here to find the value of determinant. And the first determinant which is given and we have to find the value is 7/3, 5/3, 3/2, 1/2. So if you multiply it by 7/3 multiplied by 1/2, that will become 7/6 minus 5/3 into 3/2, 5 3s are 15, 3 2s are 6, so 15/6. So 7 minus 15/6, that is 8 minus 8/6. So the answer is minus 4/3. Now the next question we have to find the value of m when the given determinant's value is 22, that is 4 5 in the next row m3. So we are going to have 4 into 3, that is 4 3s are 12, minus sign 5 into m, that is minus 5m is equal to 22. So 12 will go on the right side and it will become subtraction. So minus 5m is equal to 22 minus 12. Therefore minus 5m is equal to 10. Therefore m is equal to 10 upon minus 5. So 5 2s are 10. So m is equal to minus 2 here. Now the next question we have, that is the third question. If a plus 5b is equal to 22, 3a plus 5b is equal to 26. So these are equation number 1 and 2. We have to find a minus b. So we are going to subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So we are writing equation 2 above, that is 3a plus 5b is equal to 26, and then below that a plus 5b is equal to 22. If we subtract, so all the signs of the equation below will change. So it has become minus 5b here, and a has become minus a, and 22 has become minus 22. Plus 5b minus 5b got cancelled. 3a minus a is 2a. 26 minus 22 is 4. Therefore a is equal to 2. The next question is, we have to find the value of b here. That is, the question is to find a comma b, that is the solution. So we are putting a is equal to 2 in the equation number 1. So it becomes 2 plus 5b is equal to 22. Therefore 5b is equal to 22 minus 2. Therefore 5b is equal to 22 and b is equal to 5b is equal to 20 and 5b is equal to 20. B is equal to 20 upon 5, that is 5 4s are 20. So b we got as 4. So the solution, that is a comma b, is 2 comma 4, and this is the solution of this equation. Now the next question, we have to solve 5x minus 3y is equal to 8 and 3x plus y is equal to 2. So we are giving equation number 1 and 2. Now we are going to multiply equation number 2 by 3, so that this will become plus 3y. So we have it 3 into 3x is equal to 9x, 3y into 3 is, then y is only 1, so 3y is equal to 3 into 2, that is 6. 9x plus 3y is equal to 6. Let's give this equation number 3. Now we have to add equation number 1 and 3. So the equation number 1 is 5x minus 3y is equal to 8, and the equation number 2 is 3 became 9x plus 3y is equal to 6. So since we are adding, the signs will not change. Therefore minus 3y plus 3y will get cancelled. Now 5x plus 9x is equal to 14x. 8 plus 6 14. 14x is equal to 14, therefore x is equal to 1. We have to put this in equation number 2. So it is going to be 3 into 1 plus y is equal to 2. That is 3 plus y is equal to 2. Therefore y is equal to 2 minus 3. Therefore y is equal to minus 1. So this way we got the value of x and y. So x comma y, the values are 1 comma minus 1. Now the next question is we have to check whether 4 comma 2 lies on the equation 2x plus y is equal to 6. So if we want to check it, if 4 comma 2 is online, we have to put x is equal to, like given here is 4 and y is equal to 2. So that becomes 24 plus 2 is equal to 6. That is 8 plus 2 is equal to 6. So this becomes 10 on the left side and 6 on the right side. Therefore the left side is not equal to right hand side. That's why given values 4 comma 2, it is these values are not the solution, or they do not lie on the given line. Now the next question, we have to it is given difference between numbers is 3 and the sum of bigger number and twice the smaller number is 15. So we have to find the smaller number. Now let the bigger number be x and smaller number be y. So from the first condition the difference is 3, that's why x minus y is equal to 3. It is equation number 1 from first condition. And second one is x plus 2y is equal to 15 from second condition, and we are giving this as second number. So we have to subtract equation number 2 from 1. It is straight way, that is x minus y is equal to 3 and x plus 2y is equal to 15. So when we subtract, the signs of below will change. X will become minus x, 2y will become minus 2y, and 15 will become minus 15. So x got cancelled. Minus 2y minus y became minus 3y is equal to 12. Therefore minus minus will cancel, y is equal to 4. Now we have to find the smaller number. So smaller number is y. So we got it. So when the question is there to find smaller number, we have to find smaller number. Alright, so this mistake can be done by the students also, that when whatever is asked, we are supposed to solve only that much. We are not supposed to solve anything extra. Alright, in the next question we have to solve 3x plus 2y is equal to 6 and 2x plus 4y is equal to 12 by Cramer's rule. So the given equations are 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. Let's give this equation number 1, and 2x plus 4y is equal to 12, and let's number this 2. Now comparing with a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. We have got the values of a1, b1, a1 3, b1 2, c1 6, a2 2, b2 4, and c2 is 12. So the determinant D is formed by coefficients, like first row will become 3 and 2 and the second row will become 2 and 4. So we have to solve it. 3 into 4, that is 12, minus 3 into 2, that's 2 into 2 4, so 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. The value of D is 8. Now dx, we are going to replace the coefficients of x with the constants, so it will become 6 2 and 12 4. So 6 into 4, 24, minus 2 into 12, 24. So 24 minus 24 is 0, so the value of dx is 0. Now to find value of dy, we are going to replace the coefficients of y, that will be b1 and b2 we have to replace, so it becomes 3, 6 and 2, 12. So 3 multiplied by 12, that is 36, minus 6 into 2, that is 12. 36 minus 12, 24. So dy is equal to 24 and x is equal to dx upon d. So it is 0 upon 8, it is 0, and y is equal to dy upon d. So dy is 24 upon, it is 8. So this y we get is 3. So the solution is x comma y is equal to 0 comma 3. Now in the next question, it is given 22 2x minus 6y is equal to 3. If x is equal to minus 5, what is the value of y? In the second case, x is equal to what if y is equal to 0? So we are going to substitute the value of x as minus 5. So this becomes 2 into minus 5, that is minus 10 minus 6y is equal to 3. So minus 6y is equal to 3 plus 10, 3 gone on the right side, that became plus 10. So minus 6y is equal to 13, y is equal to minus 13 upon 6. In the second case, when y is equal to 0 given, so what will be the value of x? So we are going to write 2 in 2x minus 6y is equal to 3. We are going to put y is equal to 0. So this will become 2x minus 6 into 0, that is 2x minus 0 is equal to 3. Therefore x is equal to 3 upon 2. Alright, now the next question. Alright, we have to solve another equation. 3x plus 2y is equal to 29, 10x minus 2y is equal to 36. Let's give the number. 3x plus 2y is equal to 29, number 1. 10x minus 2y is equal to 36, number 2. We have to add 1 and 2. So 3x plus 2y is equal to 29, 10x minus 2y is equal to 36, plus 2y minus 2y will get cancelled. So 3x plus 10x is 13x, and 29 plus 36 is equal to 65. Therefore x is equal to 65 upon 13. 13 5 is 65. Therefore x is equal to 5. Now we have to put this value in equation number 1. So 3 multiplied by 5 plus 2y is equal to 29. 15 plus 2y is equal to 29. 2y is equal to 29 minus 15. Therefore 2y is equal to 14. Therefore y is equal to 14 upon 2, that is 2 7s are 14. Therefore y is equal to 7. So the values x comma y will be 7 comma x comma y will be 5